Hello, everyone. Hope you are all enjoying the event. Now we have a special address by Mr. Arvind Kumar. He is a scientist and group coordinator at Ministry of Electronics and IT. Let's give him a big round of digital applause. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. Over to you.
Dignitaries, delegates, researchers, and friends. I am very proud to be associated with this international conference on security education, research, and innovation being organized by Data Security Council of India. As you know, Digital India program, which was launched in 2015, which takes forward the pioneering vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for ensuring digital access, digital inclusion, bridging the digital divide, and digital empowerment, leading to India's transformation into the knowledge based economy and digital empowered society. The program has ensured the digital inclusion of all through the process to by providing a robust digital infrastructure created under this, thus facilitating connect to the rest of the world. It also provides an opportunity of connecting to each and every individual and giving them opportunity in equal measures. Digital India is successful only because of the cyber security, which is an inherent part or which is the strength of this program. India is emerging as global hub for R&D, IT services. Transforming the cyber landscape calls for coordinated research strategy that provides a basis for steering security R&D towards global strategic goals to promote productization, commercialization, and increasing industry adoption of cybersecurity research work in the country. A National Center of Excellence for Cybersecurity Technology Development, Product Entrepreneurship, which is being created by Data Security of India along with the Government Ministry of Electronics and IT. The major focus of this conference is looking at the emerging technologies of cryptography, cryptology, hardware security, AI ML applications in cybersecurity. This will provide a benchmark. It will also provide a platform for cybersecurity researchers to interact, to share their ideas, to share their work, and bring out the collaborative research work and the knowledge base of cybersecurity and cryptography. The evolving IT landscape corresponding requires an evolving cybersecurity landscape as well. India at the forefront of cybersecurity R&D in terms of people, process, and technologies with the latest technological stack help in crucial for driving the innovation for cybersecurity. India has got the robust talent pool, automating the cybersecurity processes, and with the rise in the scale and complexity of the cyber attacks, has further reinforced the need for upgrading the R&D capabilities in the country and doing the collaborative research with the international organizations. In the past decade, cybersecurity has emerged as a priority area of Indian tech industries, attracting stakeholders including METI to invest in this sector to help develop overall capacity of the country. Cryptography, including the emerging quantum and post-quantum cryptography, is of the key focus area of indigenous research spearheaded by the government through Ministry of Electronics and IT. Several projects have been initiated in the recent past in this area of cryptography. They have also led to the development of several prototypes or novel cryptographic algorithms. These are also being explored in the real-life applications in various domains. One of the most important projects which has been initiated in India is Cryptography Module Evaluation Program. It's both cryptographic module validation as well as cryptographic algorithm validation program. This is being implemented by Indian Institute of Science and Center for Development of Advanced Computing Center at Bangalore. The project has been implemented with respect to the international standard of NIST FIPS 140-2. Efforts have also been made to initiate integrating these modules with integrated national platforms. The project has also been initiated for development of low power, low resource cryptographic algorithms, modules for IoT, for viral networks of 4G and 5G. DSC has also initiated a cyber challenge in this area. METI has also taken a number of initiatives of post-quantum cryptographic module and algorithm development in line with the international state-of-the-art. Quantum key distribution through optical and inter-satellite link has also been envisaged. Hardware security and cloud security is another focus area of cybersecurity research and development. Initiative has also been taken for building the capacities and the national facility for hardware security assurance in this area. In the past few months, we have witnessed that during the pandemic situation, the system and most of the industries and the government have moved to the digital systems, and digital connectivity is providing the solutions for doing the work from home, which is a new normal. As a result of increased digital footprint, cybersecurity incident also went up 23%. Thus, it has become critical for us to develop sophisticated solution that caters to these issues. To achieve this goal and develop a robust, vibrant, cybersecurity-rich innovation ecosystem, technology development, technology commercialization with a special focus on product entrepreneurship needs to be nurtured. Cybersecurity capabilities have become central to the national strategic outlook. As you know, India is aspiring to become the $1 trillion economy. Enhancing our preparedness and securing cyberspace is a key national priority. There is a need for a concerted effort in developing critical technology capabilities in the country and for India's geopolitical advantage. The startups, the enterprises, the academia, researchers and R&D institute in the country, they need to synergize their efforts. They have to come together, work in tandem to achieve this national goal. METI, through its different initiatives, is also supporting startups and research community for developing products and services that are helping develop the cyber capabilities in the country. METI's partnership with Data Security Council of India for setting up National Center of Excellence for Cybersecurity Technology Development, Entrepreneurship Development is an important step in this direction. National COE's concerted efforts are helping startups, investors, public sector organizations, and large industry players to come together and collaborate for developing market-proof products and sound technical outputs. These outputs can be used in industries. They are useful for the public sector for the problems, and they are giving the solutions which can also go abroad for export purposes. Institutions developing deep dive research products and could benefit from initiative under MIT for helping innovation by a center of excellence. The sound collaboration between industry, government, and the research agencies need of the day to identify the time frame, market-oriented research programs, and building of the products which can be commercialized, and they have to work together for making this product a market product to the benchmarking to the international standards and giving the best outcome possible in the digital economy. I urge all the researchers, participants, the students and the academia and industries to come together and jointly work not only in India but also in a collaborative way with the international agencies and the experts. With this, I wish this conference a great success. Thank you very much.